So this afternoon, goat arrested after report of breaking. Secondly, I have another video of an alleged rearing of dogs for restaurants purposes, and I cannot substantiate the claim, but I'll be sharing the video. Also coming up, we have seen where an unexpected event went down on the highway, the PJ Patterson leg of Highway 2000, including a minibus and another unit. So that and more, and remember that in order for you to get these news items on a daily schedule, you need to join the Jamaican Display family. And to complete that process, if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. So the police in North Carolina say they have arrested a goat after they got a call reporting an attempt break-in. The Charlotte Observer report that the incident occurred Tuesday in the college town of Greenville. The Animal Protective Services Unit of the Greenville Police Department said in a statement that officers arrived to find the goat hanging out around the windows of the house. The goat was taken to the city's animal shelter, but was sooner or later picked up by its owner to finish his sentence in house arrest. And that report is coming straight from the Greenville Police Department. And viewers, all I did was D0G, LOL. So the police operating in the St. Andrew Central Police area conducted a target operation at the premises on Tarrant Drive, Kingston 10, and it led to a successful discovery because they seized an illegal shotgun and a single 9mm cartridge. No one was arrested, and in cases like these, that is where they lock it, the spot. You understand me? So congratulations to the team for taking another power off the street, leaving a set of persons powerless, because we know that is where the power lies, within the weapon, them no bad. So the other day, I shared a story in which it was said that dog's meat are being used in Jamaica for all different types of menu in some selective restaurants, and they remain incognito. And I'm still wondering if that is still going on as we speak, because I have heard about it before. However, I thought it would have been extinct, gone, happening no more. But this afternoon, I have another video, well, two videos. And one of the video displays what appears to be some meat, freshly killed, and it strongly resembles that of a dog. The video also displays two men, and they are in the process of handing over, one removing it from a pickup truck, and the other is on the receiving end, accepting the meat in what appears to be a truck resembles the delivery type. So you know that cannot be shown on YouTube, because I would like my video to remain on their platform without any harassment. So here's the video that they might accept, and in this video it is also alleged that these dogs are somewhere in the hills of Kingston. So be attentive, then leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. The comment section is yours.
Let's do the Chinese food, yeah. And the Chinese food is. Yeah, man, I raise dog up in the area. Holy for dog. See there? How the Chinese food is Jamaican. Yo.
So there you have it. And if those dogs are really there for the digestive system, then Jamaica really gone to the dogs, because there is no way you should have it in your intentions to try and cheat the people by forcing something on them of a different kind from what they are acclimatized to. As in, when I used to them type of something there in our plate, it is not a part of our culture, so it is not acceptable. Please be aware of what restaurants you eat and as to the type of food you order, because these are the last days and it is simple. You just can't trust anyone, and rightfully so. You're not supposed to if you really want to preserve your existence. So I have Senior Superintendent of Police, Mr. Gary Mackenzie, who is giving us an update on the motor vehicle collision that occurred on the PJ Patterson leg of highway earlier today, in which over 4 to 5 persons were pronounced on the spot and over 11 others are in a medical facility trying to hold on to their life. So here's what you have to say. Be attentive, then leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Comment section is yours.
Okay, based on the information we have, on or about 11 a.m., a Toyota motor truck was traveling along the PJ Patterson highway towards Spanish Town. When on reaching about 800 meters east of the exit to Spanish Town, it is apparent that the driver encountered some difficulties with the vehicle traveling at high speed. The vehicle appeared to have been swerving along the roadway based on the evidence. It collided in the rear of a medium truck and then it overturned. It appears that it overturned a couple of times and then it came to rest with the front on the median. As a result of that, several persons were injured. We are able to confirm that 4 persons have died. There are a number of persons that have been taken to the Spanish Town Hospital, and we have heard that a few of them are critical, so we are going to do further checks on that. I am told that 11 persons are in the hospital, and as I said before, there are a number of them that are seriously injured. We are not able to see their identity. In fact, we have not identified any of them just now, and so we continue our investigations. Well, based on what we are seeing, the vehicle was traveling towards Kingston on the eastbound side. We have not verified the exact points at which it has left from and where it would have terminated. Based on the unseen investigations, it is 2 males and 2 females.
So there you have it once more. And please, I'm appealing to the public or motorists at large, especially public passenger vehicles. Remember that once you take that vow to transport the population, that is a very serious responsibility, because when that vehicle is at its maximum capacity, each and everyone that is now comfortably seated in that vehicle driven by you, their safety depends on your consciousness. And many of you are just driving for driving's sake. You're not really responsible enough to navigate with caution. And sometimes in these incidents, the driver do survive. However, it is unclear if he's one of those being taken to the medical facility. So I'll keep you abreast on that. Also remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe.